The news of several student visas being revoked has caused worry among international students. Secretary of State Marco Rubio said his department revoked 300 international student visas. That was the number at the end of March. One immigration attorney tells me in his decades-long career of practicing law, he has never seen anything like this before.
Not for this, for trivial reasons and just for expressing, opinions and things like that.
We don't know why some visas were taken away from international students. Herman Dade, an immigration attorney, tells me from his knowledge it's very challenging to get this form of documentation reinstated after it's been revoked.
Just seems to be you're going to be stereotyped, and it's not impossible, but you might have a battle ahead to change that.
Last month during a news conference, Secretary of State Marco Rubio said this is about the students losing access to being in the United States.
We gave you a visa to come and study and get a degree, not to become a social activist that tears up our university campuses. And if we've given you a visa and then you decide to do that, we're going to take it away. I encourage every country to do that.
We don't want to be told how to think and what to, what opinion to have. But the administration's using rules, regulations, and they're overextending it.
Visas can be revoked for a number of reasons.
It could be anything from, you lied on an application, somebody committed a crime. And yes, if it's going to have severe foreign policy consequences, you can have your visa revoked on that, because you don't want to have bad foreign policy consequences for the United States.
Day tells me that there's due process and the students who lost their visas could appear in front of a judge. According to the New York Times, the United States issued 400,000 visas to students last year.